Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm reviewing a beauty product. Well, the product is this drugstore foundation from Lakme 95 series. So this is the newest launch from their series and it's a primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. Okay, so the reason that I picked up this foundation for review is because it's a drugstore foundation. Well, drugstore foundations are everybody's favorite. So before I do a full-fledged review, I'm gonna take you through with the packaging first. So I'm gonna quickly take you through what this brand claims about this foundation. So this foundation has built-in primer, then it has SPF 20 in it. So that's like something a great deal, guys. You are getting a primer, SPF and foundation in one bottle. Like, this is something excites me. Now this foundation has medium to high buildable coverage, which is really great. And then you have some tips to use, like shake well before you use. And then coming on to the pricing part, this is 25 ml that you get for 475 rupees. But there's a trick, guys. I got this from Nykaa and I got it on discount for like 299 to be precise, like for only 300 rupees. So this is something that definitely falls in the affordable foundation category. Another best part about this foundation is the packaging. Now this foundation comes with this spatula. So I have foundations which comes with pump that are also very convenient to use, and then I have foundations which doesn't comes with anything. You just need to open up the cap and pour a little bit on your palm. So that's kind of, tends to waste your product at times. So the spatula makes it really easy and convenient to use, and also you can just apply it directly on your face. Something that I have to say about Lakme is that Lakme is stepping up their game, and this time they have launched an entire range of different under skin tones, be it neutral, be it warm, be it cool. You can find every shade for every undertone. So I am a warm skin tone and I have got my shade, which is warm creme. So you can find out your shade on the packaging. Like on mine it's written W120. By W it means it's a warm undertone. So if you are cool undertone or neutral undertone, you can definitely find out your shades. So in total there are 16 shades. The formula of this foundation is weightless and also has this velvety texture. I think it's because of the primer, and it blends really nicely and does not crease at all. You can definitely see it on my face right now. I'm wearing this foundation. Being a matte foundation, it gives a really fresh and dewy look to my face. All you have to do is just prep your skin and hydrate your skin well before applying this foundation. If you are a dry skin person, you can use facial oil or any hydrating cream, mix it with this foundation, then apply on your skin, and I think it will do the job and won't crease at all on your face. And if I talk about my skin, I have this oily T-zone and the rest of the face is dry, flaky, and I have no complaints with blending and application whatsoever. It blends really nicely and very easily. And I think it's the time, guys, that I start with the application part. And before I start with the application of this foundation, please do subscribe to my channel for more beauty, fashion and travel related content. You can definitely follow me on Instagram. So my skin is well prepped and I'm starting straight with the foundation. And before I apply this, I'm gonna shake it well. And now I'm gonna pull out some of the foundation with the spatula. I think I'm gonna directly apply it with the spatula, so I'm just applying it. I'm using the beauty blender, and this is the first application. Let's see how well the coverage is. So this is how the first application of the foundation looks like. I think I'm gonna require a little bit over here and just a bit over here because I'm breaking out and I have some spots of acne on this area. So I think I would need a little more on this side. But apart from this, the coverage is really good. This being a matte foundation, I think you can still achieve a dewy look if you have prepped your skin with good amount of hydration, or you can mix it with a facial oil or any strobing cream. Being a matte foundation, it is good. It is not drying out and I cannot see any patches whatsoever. I think I'm pretty much satisfied with the coverage, but however I feel I need a concealer to conceal up all the spots a little bit more because they are quite prominent. So for that I am taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Light. It is one of my favorite drugstore concealer and the most used concealer of course. So I'm gonna just knead a little bit over the spots and the acne situation, and just side by side I'm gonna highlight the T-zone as well, as I'm already concealing my face, so might as well just highlight it at the same time. I'm again using the beauty blender to blend my concealer. I'm just patting it. So overall the foundation is not like the completely full coverage foundation that will conceal all your prominent marks, spots and scars. However, it still have this medium to high coverage which you would need for your day-to-day purpose. Also, if you're going for the parties, you can definitely wear this foundation. So guys, my base is ready and now I'm going to set my concealer and the foundation with this Fit Me loose powder. If you're looking for a good drugstore loose powder, you can definitely go ahead and try this. This is one of my favorite and really good, by the way. So I am not baking or doing any such sort. I'm just simply setting it. Guys, don't underestimate the power of setting your face with a compact powder or the loose powder. It helps in making your makeup stay a bit longer, and also your makeup doesn't crease, so gives you a flawless makeup base throughout the day. Okay, with that guys, I'm going to be completing my makeup look and I'm just left with the lipstick, so I'm going to quickly apply the lipsticks. There's no one particular lipstick that I'm going to use. I'm going to add 3-4 lipsticks, so I'll be right back. So that's about it guys. This is the final look that I have achieved after applying this foundation. So I would highly recommend this Lakme 95 foundation. Also, it's quite affordable, so if you guys want to try it out, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it. As I already told you, you can check out Nykaa for extra discount and you can save some moolahs. With that guys, I'm gonna sign off now, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up to my video, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.